In this video we will talk about insomnia, causes of insomnia, home remedies to treat insomnia, how to cure insomnia. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. What is insomnia? Insomnia is the sleeping disorder that prevents a person from getting a quality night's sleep. In fact, insomnia can keep a person up for many days. This leaves the person feeling tired, wasted and weary. Your body needs sleep to recharge, it needs quality sleep in order to perform at its best. Therefore, if you suffer from insomnia and you just can't seem to fall asleep at night, it is important that you find some form of insomnia treatment quickly. Although it's quite common for most people to have an occasional sleepless night, lack of sleep on a regular basis can be disturbing. This is insomnia. Insomnia can leave you feeling tired and groggy throughout the day. It also causes psychological and physiological damage to the body. Before you look for a natural treatment for insomnia, consult a doctor. Sometimes, insomnia can be a symptom of another condition, like sleep apnea, lung disease, hot flashes or diabetes. When these underlying ailments are treated, insomnia may disappear too. Causes of insomnia. Millions of people out there suffer from insomnia almost every night. Many are trying to cure it with drugs. Why should you use drugs if you can find the causes and manage to overcome them? Yes, there are some simple solutions that you can try. You only need to find the cause. Here are some insomnia causes. 1. Your bedroom. Is it messy? Is it too crowded? Did you choose a calm color of wallpaper or paint? Yes, all should be put into considerations. Sleeping is a process to relax your body. And, you can never get relaxed if you're not comfortable with the condition of your bedroom. 2. Your bed. Make sure that both the bed and pillow are comfortable and clean. Remember, it will be hard for you to shut your eyes if you're not comfortable. Also, avoid doing other activities than sleeping in your bed. If you've been watching TV while lying in your bed, you'd better stop it. That might be the cause of your insomnia. It's better to move the TV out of your bedroom. Bed should only associates to sleep, not to other activities. 3. Clocks. How come a clock can cause insomnia? You might ask. Let's see it this way. You're having an exam or job interview tomorrow and of course, you wouldn't want to be late for that. So, before sleeping you go checking your clock placed on the table next to your bed, once. Then, you check it out again. That makes it twice. And again, and again. Not only it takes too much of your sleeping time, but it also adds to your nerves. Stress will avoid you from sleeping. So, put your clock somewhere else. 4. Too many thoughts. If your mind goes to several directions such as jobs, family, health, etc., you'll never be able to get yourself relaxed. Try to avoid thinking too much when you already get in your bed. To help, you can count sheep. Yes, that might sound silly but it helps you get your mind into one single direction. Soon, you'll be sleepy and close your eyes. Just try and prove it. 5. Alcohol. The alcohol works as a stimulant and regardless of how tight you close your eyes or how deeply you long for sleep, it doesn't happen. Or how deeply you long for sleep, it doesn't happen. The way to avoid alcohol-induced insomnia is to either not drink in the evening or choose a drink that works to relax you instead of stimulate you. If those are the things that cause your insomnia, follow all the tips to get a good night's sleep. I believe, soon, you'll be sleeping like a baby. To find the right insomnia treatment, however, you need to find out just what's keeping you up all those sleepless nights. Is it something you're doing? Sometimes, insomnia is caused by what the person is doing. That's right, you could be causing your very own insomnia. The reason you can't sleep can be due to the fact that you're eating certain foods, or maybe you're drinking too much coffee. Caffeine from coffee and other foods can keep you tossing and turning, unable to sleep, so a good insomnia treatment would be to try and eliminate such things from your diet. Experiment with different foods and see if that helps relieve the insomnia symptoms. Another insomnia treatment that you can try is to get plenty of exercise during the day. The more energy you use up during the day, the less energy you'll have at night. Your body will want to rest, and finally you will eventually fall asleep. Try taking up a sport or an exercise as an insomnia treatment. Look at it this way, not only will you probably find sleep, but you'll look and feel great too. Stress and other emotional feelings can also cause insomnia too. If you have some event coming up that's causing you stress, anxiety or fear, try avoiding that situation altogether, or try looking at it positively. Remember, these are your own feelings and it's up to you to relieve them. If you've tried to alleviate them as part of an insomnia treatment and you just can't seem to get rid of them, try some stress relief exercises, such as yoga, tai chi or even meditation. Or, just slowing down and taking a different outlook on life can do wonders for your well-being as well as your ability to get some sleep. Natural remedies to treat insomnia are: 1. Changes in lifestyle. A major part of the food we eat is made up of toxins, which cause imbalance in the body. This acid-alkaline imbalance directly leads to insomnia in some people. Margarine, and other hydrogenated fats, refined table salt, monosodium glutamate, sugar, chocolate, corn syrup, refined oils, baking powder, junk food, fried food, soft drinks and alcohol are all toxins. Replace these with natural foods. Vegetables and fruits contain a lot of fiber and natural enzymes that will balance the acid-alkaline ratio in the body. Fruit juices are not as good as the fruits themselves though. Avoid adding sugar to juices. 2. In women, insomnia is a common occurrence at the time of menopause. This may be due to the reduced levels of estrogen. Estrogen is needed by the body to absorb magnesium. Magnesium is an important nutrient that helps to relax muscles. A reduction in estrogen levels can directly cause insomnia, heart palpitations, and fibromyalgia. Magnesium-rich vegetables and fruits will help combat this problem. 3. Avoid stimulants during the day. Caffeine in coffee has the ability to stimulate the brain and reduce sleep. Some people can suffer from insomnia even if they have had only a single cup of coffee during the day. 4. Drink lots of water, as water helps to detoxify the body and flush toxins from the body. 5. Exercise. Sensible exercise will help increase blood circulation and give you a pleasant feeling of being tired. But, do not over-exercise. High exercise combined with a low-fat diet can cause insomnia. Excessive exercise leads to tightening of muscles and this makes sleep difficult. 6. Yoga. Yogic exercises help to improve the quality of sleep. The practice of certain postures increases blood circulation to the sleep centers in the brain, thus normalizing the sleep cycle. Deep breathing allows more oxygen into the body and clears the mind. 7. Tai Chi. Originated in China as one of the martial arts, Tai Chi combines elements of workout, meditation and dance. It focuses on controlled breathing, concentration and relaxation of muscles. Over a 6-month period, Tai Chi can improve sleep quality and lessen insomnia. 8. Relaxation techniques. Do not watch horror or crime movies just before you get to bed. Practicing a relaxation technique in bed will help induce sleep by calming the mind and relaxing the muscles. The relaxation technique does not aim to bring sleep, rather its aim is to achieve complete relaxation. Sleep will then be a natural byproduct. 9. Reiki. Reiki is applied via the hands of the practitioner. The practitioner simply places his or her hands on the corresponding organs of the body to facilitate healing. This results in a deeply relaxing experience. Reiki is an excellent technique for stress management. It is a self-empowering and holistic healing process. 10. Self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis consists of learning certain relaxation techniques that allow access to the subconscious mind. By using suggestions, one can persuade the subconscious mind to conquer insomnia. Many times, it is the mind's fixation with sleeplessness that leads to insomnia. Insomnia can be treated naturally, without taking any medication. However, a firm faith in the process is absolutely necessary. If you've tried all of these insomnia treatment and nothing seems to help at all, then it's time to see your doctor. There are many over-the-counter medicines that can help you fall asleep. However, try the above insomnia treatments first before the medicine. Most often, you're wide awake night after night because of something you're doing. Pay attention to your daily life routine and find out what's keeping you from a nice, restful sleep. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.